Our dream of providing a place of peace and serenity along with a wellness approach was born in April 2016. Our goal is to provide you with a sanctuary, a place to rest and relax from the hard grind pace of everyday life. You can renew, re-energize, and restore at Star Falls Cabins.
Also, our setting provides opportunities to celebrate special events such as family reunions, weddings, honeymoons, romantic getaways, yoga and wellness retreats. Our Serenity Circle, next to the peaceful and majestic South Fork River, is the perfect setting for a wedding, as well as a beautiful place to do yoga while overlooking the serene and flowing waters of the river.
The Serenity Nature Trail is a lovely and unique river trail that meanders through the woodlands next to the river. The trail was constructed from the natural elements found within the woodland and from the banks of the river. The trail has a Middle Earth feel to it and includes places for prayer and meditation, just to be alone, as well as providing an opportunity to take a leisurely walk in the beauty of nature.
Serenity Beach provides opportunities for camping, swimming, fishing and boating. It's a great place for the family and group outings. We are set in a natural environment overlooking the beautiful and peaceful South Fork River. Come and experience the energy here at Star Falls Cabins.
We believe our rustic yet elegant cabins are a little special, a little cut above the rest. We cater for the discerning traveler, those looking for a romantic or relaxing breakaway there by the river, or for those who are just looking for a special place to stay.
Travelling on business? You will find complimentary Wi-Fi and all the comforts of home. We are located at the north entrance to Cherokee Village and just minutes away from the historic Old Town Hardy. You will find a warm welcome at Star Falls Cabins. So kick back, relax. This is your home from home vacation stay.